डिप्रेस्ड है, हिला लेता। कितने केसेस में मैंने सुना है कि अच्छा यू गाइस आर नॉट गेटिंग अलोंग, हैव अ किड।
तुम दोनों की लाइफ खराब हो रही है, एक और की लाइफ खराब। जो इंसान बॉडी चेकअप नहीं करा रहा, जो इंसान बुखार में ये सोच रहा है कि मैं पैरासिटामोल खाऊंगा मैं मर दूं, वो कैसे कोलोनोस्कोपी के बारे में सोचेगा भाई।
नहीं बट गाड़ी चलाई है तुमने यहाँ पे, कितने पॉट
गियर बॉक्स के ऊपर बैठते क्यों, फिर मत बैठा करो। हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर पॉडकास्ट। I'm Arushi
And I'm Sadhika, and we are here with our men today, not boys.
Yes, with our पसंदीदा मर्द।
Ah, because we're talking about Men's Day.
Yes.
और November.
Men's mental health, mental health, all health।
वो तो हमारी काफी खराब।
मेंटल हेल्थ की बात करें क्या हम?
Yeah.
I prefer mental wealth over health any day.
I prefer both, but okay.
So this is मेरा वाला लौंडा नीरज। अबे तो अपन
मैन लौंडा क्या होता है?
you can check him out on the Urban Company का channel, and he also does like other stuff apart from having some alcohol.
I have a job as well. That's also a job, but
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Krishanu. He's my husband. So we've been together for 16 years.
मेरी दाढ़ी सफेद हो गई।
more than my professional life.
And you can catch me in my office.
So grab your coffee or chai ka cup and let's get into today's gup.
गलगप्पा। मेरे को बोला ब्रांडिंग दिखाने को, तो गाइस मैं सिर्फ ऐसे मग पे कॉफी पिएगा।
Now we know for sure that cup does not have coffee.
Yeah.
We have never been very honest about our beverages of choice.
Well, when I know, I'll call you. Wow, this is too much books.
The Men's Day, guys, is on the 19th of November.
International Men's Day.
International, yes. And it's for the whole month of November. So it's not just about mental health. If you look at their emblem, so that's why we're also wearing black and blue to represent that. It's about several other issues that could happen to men when it comes to men's health. Cancer awareness, no fab November, which is another thing. But it's like अपने दिमाग की स्थिति को थोड़ा solid करने के लिए. So people even have a no buy November for that matter to have like the.
I would like to try that.
Yeah.
But इस स्मोक के साथ हम कैसे करेंगे ये सब?
Oh yeah, the Delhi wala scene.
I think this month is only there so we prepare ourselves for the next 11 months and we survive for this month again. और यही एक साइकिल है जिसमें मर्द भागे जा रहे हैं। वाओ!
ये ना जब भी मैं वुमेन्स डे का कुछ कंटेंट डालती हूँ, एवरी टाइम देयर विल बी एटलीस्ट 5 men saying वुमेन्स डे तो होता है, मेंस डे नहीं होता, मेंस डे। I'm like,
अरे हमें
one
पता नहीं है
second.
यार।
When is National Men's Day?
Every day is National Men's Day. Every single day.
बट
Okay.
फिर बाहर वालों को क्या? वो बोल रहे हैं कि इंडिया तो बढ़िया है यार, रोज मना रहे हैं।
नहीं वैसे आधी दुनिया तो यही है।
Oh, makes sense. That's also true.
1/3 यार, आधी तो नहीं हुई अभी तक.
वो हो जाएगी।
हम ले आएंगे।
Yeah.
तो
You know what is also 19 November?
what?
Our anniversary.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
तभी population बढ़ने वाली है.
इंटरनेशनल मेंस डे पे शादी की है मैं। हाउ मेल शॉविनिस्ट आर यू? दिस मच।
Wow, this is too much books.
No, actually I took the day from him because Men's Day बाद में है, तू Men's Day मनाएगा, रुक।
तेरे सारे गिफ्ट मेरे पास.
हाउ फेमिनिस्ट आर यू?
Yeah.
This much.
Take back Men's Day also.
मेंस डे का कोई गिफ्ट देता भी नहीं है, बट लाया भी तो भी वो एनिवर्सरी का।
Exactly.
Nice.
लवली। सॉरी मैं थोड़ा बकचोदी कर
Wednesday पे कैंसर होता है।
No. No. First एक misconception clear कर दो. Men का mental health on scale of 1 to 10. How fucked is it?
It is 70,000.
Oh my.
I
What
think
about you?
it is best mental health of all genders.
क्या? Okay.
I think it depends on person to person. But yeah, I think I read this somewhere that as long as you're getting like 2 guys night, and I mean like 2 boys night where you're just chilling with your friends and all,
In a month or in a week?
that's what I'm trying to remember. If I say week, that's a little too much. But I think that's should be there because I think you never know what a
Sources
one
trust me, bro.
what
Sources,
yeah.
yes, trust me, bro.
यार देखो
WhatsApp University.
मैं तुम्हें सीक्रेट ऑफ सक्सेसफुल मैरिज बताता हूँ।
हाँ.
आरुषि के शौक ना फॉर द लैक ऑफ अ बेटर वर्ड बड़े मर्दाना है।
Okay then.
PlayStation खेलती है।
PlayStation
मैं यही तो कहने वाला था कि अगर लौंडे मिल रहे हैं वो PlayStation और बियर कर रहे हैं, अगर ये घर पे कर ले रहे हैं तो दोस्तों की जरूरत ही नहीं है।
देखो फीफा हो जाता है, बियर हो जाती है, और क्या करते हैं लौंडे?
बस
बस
अरे आई एम टेलिंग यू
we are trying to debunk the misconception that men are one dimensional.
I am telling you.
Not debunking,
I am-
it is reinforcing.
I am telling you right now, okay? Men's mental health is mostly fucked because half of the men don't know how to talk to women, okay? And they can be vulnerable only with women, okay? Because like if you are close with a few friends, you know, तुम उनके साथ कुछ चीजें नहीं शेयर करोगे क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है कि ये कमीने मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे, ठीक है? लाइक आई हैव अ फ्यू सेट ऑफ स्कूल फ्रेंड्स, ओके? उनके साथ अगर उनमें से कोई दुखी होके आता है ना कि यार मेरा ब्रेकअप हो गया, कुछ हो गया, तो नो वन विल कंसोल दैट पर्सन. सब वही बोलेंगे कि भड़वे पहले ही बोला था. अगर ऑल्सो मेन हैव जस्ट वन सोल्यूशन, एटलीस्ट द सेट ऑफ मेन that I roam around with, कि अगर कुछ अच्छा हुआ है तो they'll be like बहुत ही बढ़िया पीते हैं और ब्रेकअप हो गया, कुछ दुखी हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं भाई, मैं बोतल लाता हूँ.
नहीं, और बहुत थोड़े एक्सट्रीम लौंडे भी होते हैं, वो बोलते हैं कि डिप्रेस्ड है, हिला लेता.
नहीं, पर इसके जो मुझे कुछ स्कूल के दोस्त मिलते हैं, इनकी ऐसी बातें होती हैं. समटाइम्स व्हेन आई एम देयर एंड वी गाइस आर ड्रिंकिंग, दिस इज वन लौंडा व्हेन ही स्टार्ट शेयरिंग ही एंड्स अप क्राइंग.
तो उसका सिर्फ मजाक, उसका नाम आशिक रख दिया हमने. या कि आशिक आ रहा है. एक दूसरे को हम ऐसे बोलते हैं कि आशिक आ रहेगा, सबको पता है कि किसकी बात कर रहे हैं. हर कोई बोलता है अरे वो कहाँ से आएगा, ऐसे ही चलता है उसके साथ. बट अब उसको ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. तो हाँ,
नहीं, वो एक हमेशा होता है जो सबका मूड खराब करता है, यू नो. there's this skit about it ना, कि उसको पूछो अरे तू अकेला है, कहता है हाँ बहुत.
हाँ सेम. वो you've seen वो सिंगिस किंग में वो पंकज उदास नहीं था? सेम.
पर तुम्हें नहीं लगता तुम ऐसा दारू पी के तुम अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ का, यू कांट एक्चुअली हैव एनी डीप एज कन्वर्सेशन और रिमेंबर इट द नेक्स्ट डे.
सबसे ज्यादा डीप कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है,
एंड
सबसे ज्यादा. और सबसे मैं आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग, ओके, दीज आर एट रैंडम ऑफिस पार्टीज, लाइक वी मीट दीज पीपल, इंटरेक्ट विद देम, बट फिर जब वो ऑफ साइट होती है या कोई पार्टी होती है, उसमें फिर 3-4 पैग अंदर जाते हैं, फिर जो लव यू भाई निकलता है ना,
वो दिल से निकलता है.
लव यू भाई
होता है. कभी कभार मैंने भी ऐसे लोगों की तारीफ की है जिनका मैं सोच ही नहीं सकता था.
हाँ.
बट मैंने भी ये कर दी. इट्स ओके.
हम लोग भी पीते हैं, इवन गर्ल्स, हमारा भी ये हो जाता है कि रोटी बनो, कितनी गहरी दोस्तियां बन गई, कितनी बातें हो गई.
No, but girls are in general more expressive, I feel. Guys lack
Yeah,
that
but
tendency.
basically whatever you are, sober,
I am super
when you-
expressive.
हाँ, he is very expressive.
No, so like now that's what I'm saying. I have a few set of friends now, thanks to a few.
It is I.
Thanks to a few office gigs at least, or at least a few job changes and all. So because of that, I found a few colleagues / friends जिनके साथ मैं थोड़ा बहुत share कर सकता हूँ and who would be interested in knowing it. वरना बाकी सारे तो खाली वक्त होते हैं यार. बात यार.
वैलिड.
इसके एक किसी सर्कल में एक बंदे ने थोड़ी सी बकचोदी की थी, and I was like, listen, why don't you just take it up with him? This was not cool, okay, the way he behaved or whatever. ये सही नहीं था. He's like, नहीं, हम ये बात कर ही नहीं सकते. We can't go there. Sorry, it will ruin our friendship. I'm like, what he did ruined your friendship already. He's like, no, that's nothing. It's okay. We will just bury it.
Yeah.
And you know, meet 2 days later after as if nothing happened. We will never talk about it.
Agreed. That's why we celebrate men's health throughout the entire month.
देखो मैं बताता हूँ, मैं नाम नहीं लेंगे, बट हम सब जानते हैं वो कौन है. मेरा एक दोस्त है, ठीक है. वो जो है ना, वो अनाप शनाप तरीके की बकचोदियां कर चुका है मेरे साथ. मतलब कुछ भी, मतलब इमेजिन कर लो, कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Yeah.
कभी भी, कुछ भी, कहीं पर भी.
Open ended.
बट आई लव यू.
Yeah. I also have a friend.
And see, and he loves him, and he's like, he's known him longer than me, which is a huge deal, okay?
yeah.
And still he's like, I cannot talk about this to him. मैं नहीं बोल सकता कि तूने मेरा दिल तोड़ा उस दिन. नहीं बोल
नहीं,
सकता.
मैं बोल
ये.
देता हूँ. मैं ये नहीं बोलता दिल तोड़ने में, मतलब अभी चूते है. कौन करता है ये सब?
That is men speak for. Yeah.
However, what has happened is that these conversations have evolved a little bit
With
now
age.
With age, now that the beard is grey
Yeah.
and the bones are hurting. The बकचोदीज can't be that much. अभी हम पहले फोन पे बकचोदी करके खत्म हो जाता था. अभी हम बैठ के थोड़ा एटलीस्ट एड्रेस करते हैं ऐसी चीजों को. What is wrong with you? Why the fuck did you do this?
Why you gay?
Why are you gay?
Also, then there have been now sets of friends that have made distinct sets of friends. Okay, now ones that you make very early on in life, and then you accept them for who they are.
स्कूल फ्रेंड
Yeah, then हाँ,
फिर
now
जब
you
ले-
stuck with them.
फिर जब लेटर वाला आता है ना, वहां थोड़ा चूज कर सकते हैं.
हाँ.
तो फिर जो है कि अब मैं जो आदमी हूँ, the kind of sort of space that I'm in, I need people matching with the wavelength. So hence I seek out
Yeah.
that sort of company, and I'm lucky enough to have found it. I feel, including you guys.
Thank you.
Well done.
और क्या होता है?
The maximum
और यूपी में
expect for a guy.
यूपी में ऐसी कंपनी मिलना मुश्किल है.
हाँ, यूपी.
Ghaziabad.
What is the most the sentiest thing you must have said to a guy friend?
Sober. Sentience, you said sober.
Then tell me drunk.
Sentiest.
हाँ.
तो याद नहीं होगी ना ड्रंक.
हाँ, that's true.
क्या बात
That's
हो रही है?
true.
सोबर तो यही होगा कि कल आ जाए यार, मजा नहीं आएगा. और फिर कल पी लिया. आई थिंक दैट्स द सेंटियस्ट थिंग कि भाई कल आ
हाँ,
जाए यार, तू नहीं आएगा तो मजा नहीं आएगा.
मैंने सोबर ये बोला है, आई विल मिस यू. बिग डील.
हाँ.
मेरे वाले सब यही हैं. उन्होंने मुझे ही बोला है. जब मैं बैंगलोर गया, थोड़ा शिफ्ट हुआ, वापस आ गया, बट मेरे वाले कहीं नहीं गए.
मेरे को ड्रंक भी पता है. मैंने कहा ड्रंक मैंने बोला है, आई विल किल फॉर यू.
Nice. Cute.
एंड वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पर्सन इन द रूम.
That's
भाई तो अब भी बता.
पीक नोएडा.
Yeah, you might know the person, by the way.
could be.
Yeah.
I feel men's friendships with age become more selective, but I feel that the friends that you make later on in life, at least that's true for me, is that I have made with a lot of the decision I made with a lot more discretion than I did, and it's paid off.
Yeah, I completely agree, and I think it's true for everyone
और
because
ना
right now it's 100%.
और मैं एक्टिवली अब जो है आई इग्नोर और आई स्टे अवे फ्रॉम पीपल जो मेरे को पहले ही थोड़ा सा रेड थोड़ा सा वो
Rewind, हाँ.
इकी वाला थोड़ा वाइब आ जाता है ना, तो मैं फक ऑफ हो जाता हूँ.
Yeah, I think cool. अब वेवलेंथ मैच नहीं होता आपका स्टार्टिंग में, तो you get a
नहीं,
vibe.
because there is this stereotype about men is that they will meet and then they will say तेरा favorite band क्या है, वो बोलेगा लिंकिन पार्क. मेरा भी, now they're friends.
Now
for
they're
life.
friends.
I feel that changes with age.
Yeah, that worked in school, not now.
It probably would have worked in school. I don't think it works now. हाँ, तो तेरे को सेम गाने पसंद है. क्या आपने म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट किया?
क्या आपने इंजनों के बारे में सोचा है?
Exactly.
And if you guys had to like classify some icks now, if you're talking about like what guys would be saying and you would be like हाँ इसकी mentality में ऐसा match नहीं होती, ये stress लग रहा है. So what would it be?
I personally feel, this is also something that I've noticed with time is, if you go for any gathering, right? I feel for me the biggest red flag is if someone starts complaining about their partner
Agreed.
in a gathering, because then I feel like पहले तो इसका relationship already खराब चल रहा है, उसके बाद ये 5 लोगों के सामने पी के गाना गा रहा है, which is not really the right thing. Have a conversation there, and I think that's my biggest trick. अगर कोई इंसान ये कर रहा है तो उसके बाद मैं उस पार्टी में उसके आसपास भी नहीं बैठ रहा ना मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, because already vibe अच्छी नहीं है and फिर वो मेरी भी vibe खराब कर रहा है.
Yeah, no, it's difficult to trust this person ना कि वो इतने close
Exactly.
इंसान को with the person who's he's committed to उसके बारे में bitch कर रहा है, तो हाँ.
नहीं, मेरा जनरली ये है कि ये जो गंदे वाले व्हाट्सएप फॉरवर्ड नहीं होते, वो वाइफ जोक.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
See, the thing is that I don't relate, probably that is why. The male friends that I have at this point of time, whom I made later in life and who have significant, at least the ones who have significant others, are in very healthy relationships.
Lovely.
And I think that sort of makes us connect. I feel it makes the whole group rather enriched, right? Like,
Yeah.
हाँ नहीं, मतलब है ऐसे एक दो दोस्त हैं जो हैं सिंगल.
थोड़ा तो
This one,
No, that should be single.
yeah.
हाँ, those are friends who have realized.
Should not be partnered. I don't think they should.
No, but I've seen this because whenever he and I go out, we go on for like a few, like एक दो हफ्ते की trip and stuff. So I've seen some people who are committed saying those comments. Like, इतना time कैसे रह रहे हो तुम साथ में? Like, बोर नहीं हुए?
Yeah.
Ah, I know,
Yeah.
right? It's like as if they're मतलब looking at it as if मतलब what is wrong with you?
Yeah.
And you know what, in a lot of marriages then this happens कि कितने cases में मैंने सुना है कि अच्छा you guys are not getting along, have a kid.
या तुम दोनों की लाइफ खराब हो रही है, एक और की लाइफ खराब, ठीक है, और फिर 3 लाइफ एक साथ खराब होगी, मजा आ जाएगा.
Why stop the generational trauma at one level?
Yeah.
Let's take it ahead. Just take it straight forward.
Why pay for therapy when you can pay for a child?
और फिर and in most cases क्योंकि फिर वो first few months में ऐसा होता है कि सो नहीं रहे हैं लोग because बच्चा चिल्ला रहा है, और खराब हो जाता है relationship.
Wait, imagine.
For sure, bro. मतलब I've
नहीं,
seen-
I'm saying that have a kid when you're ready for it, then when there is mutual consent, not because some
Oopsie
random
daisy.
auntie came and said कि you know और close आओगे बच्चे तुम.
वो तो ये तो आई थिंक
और कितना close है बच्चा बता.
इससे ज्यादा क्लोज क्या क्या आई थिंक वही हमसे पहले का जनरेशन जो था उनका थोड़ा मेंटालिटी हमेशा ऐसे ही रहा, तो आई थिंक बट वी आर द ओनली जनरेशन आई फील दैट स्टार्टेड सेइंग नो एंड टेलिंग आवर पेरेंट्स दैट दिस इज अ लिटिल रॉन्ग, व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज अ लिटिल स्टूपिड, बिकॉज़ इससे पहले वाले लोग जो पापा कहेंगे वो मैं करूंगा वाले थे आई थिंक.
Yeah, no, we caught on to the scam when they were like 12th कर लो फिर ऐशी. Then that ऐशी thing just kept on
Never
carrying
happened.
forward यार कि कॉलेज खत्म कर लो ऐशी, जॉब कर लो ऐशी, शादी कर लो ऐशी, बच्चा कर लो ऐशी. अरे भाई where is this Ash?
Even Abhishek Bachchan is also saying the same thing.
I think the only Ash I have seen is the ashtray वाली Ash. वही ऐशी देखा है मैंने लोगों में.
नो चलो ठीक है, ये तो मेंटल हेल्थ की कॉन्वर्सेशन होगी. एक बात बताओ, व्हेन यू गाइस हैव टू लाइक टेक केयर ऑफ योर फिजिकल हेल्थ, राइट, लाइक ब्लड टेस्ट वगैरह करा लो, दिस आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ गाइस हु इज लाइक नहीं कराना, कराएंगे तो पता लगेगा एंड देन इट्स गोइंग टू बी लाइक ओके थिंग्स विल बिकम वर्स देन somehow.
Yeah, अभी लाइफ ठीक चल रही है, मुझे नहीं करना, सही तो हूँ मैं.
What is that, man?
No, so I think I was one of those guys.
Yeah.
मैं बताता हूँ क्या होता है
He was-
with time.
All guys were one of those guys.
Yeah.
Is or was one of
Yeah,
those
yeah.
guys.
And then
With
they
time-
find awesome women like Siddhika and Arushi, and then they just become better.
I don't think so. I think with
one
time,
day they are in real bad
yeah.
physical discomfort.
Exactly. One day you wake up with back pain, or one day you are unable to breathe properly. तो तुम्हारी अपने आप फटती है. ठीक है. Then the first thing you do is
See, step one is fear mongering. We put a thought that you're not well.
Yeah.
Then you realize, oh shit, I'm not well.
Exactly.
yeah, मतलब I agree.
तुम्हें समझ नहीं आता ये मल्टी लेवल
It's the amount of nagging I have to do कि please take a doctor's appointment, please, like please, literally, and then finally he will come and tell me, you take it for me, literally, and that's how we take doctor's appointments.
It's a system that works.
I mean, if it's working, then it's working.
I mean, I go to the doctor, but at the end of the day, the result is achieved.
Initially, it was kind of similar. Like I had to drag his ass to an ENT कि चल बहन चल चेक कराना है तुझे. And then he was like कि ठीक है मैं खुद से चला जाता हूँ.
हाँ मतलब ठीक है थोड़ा बहुत पुश
नहीं,
होता है.
अभी जानते हो मैं जो है ना now because I'm of a certain age, even though she books the appointments, I identify the problems and convey it to her.
Because it's your body. That's how it works. I just
I-
a conversation.
I verbalize about my body. कि उसको कैसे पता चलेगा कि मेरी पीठ में यहाँ दर्द हो रहा है.
Well, I'm the right kind of body positive. Wow, this is too much Bakchod. No, but I want to go back to this men's relationships thing. And this is again a personal thing. My relationship with my father, I feel has changed so drastically over the years. It's not even funny. Today, I'm very, very proud to say that I think me and my father are very good friends. We hang out with each other on weekend, we drink together, we play golf together, and general mutual fund advice. Okay, share market अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है. कहाँ लगा दिए
के बारे
पैसे?
में सोचा है कभी?
मतलब generally, I mean, I would speak to him like I would speak to a friend, and it's share jokes, nice. It was never like this growing up because I feel that we've both evolved as people.
No, but I feel
That's
like
important as
now,
well.
yeah, now the kind of conversations that he has with his dad, like right now, they are kind of contributing to their mutual growth, which was never a thing with, you know, dads of the past generation. अब जाके millennial, Gen Z वाले बच्चे are like, kind of making their parents grow up.
Yes.
Right? Like, I remember this one conversation he had with you, and I was so proud. So his dad was, there was this transgender bill का news था कुछ, ठीक है? And apparently you are supposed to declare that you're transgender and all that. मतलब कुछ तो clauses थे उसमें. And uncle was like, his dad was like, why do you need to declare? If you're transgender, you're transgender. बस है, मतलब है तो है, be comfortable है. Why does they need, मतलब it's your personal thing, it's your gender identity. किसी को क्यों बताएं, क्या मतलब है? सही है, be proud of it, and I was
Cute.
oh my god, that is the coolest thing ever. I was like so proud of him, like oh my god, this is growth. This is
Yeah, because some people of our age don't understand this, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, and it's a very big thing if someone from his age is kind of like saying stuff like this.
Yeah.
We'll have to literally feed in all of this to some of the people from this age.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, I mean,
I had a similar experience with my father, like recently in particular. Like he's been able to verbalize this, like regretted, like a lot of things of his past. He's able to say कि हाँ ठीक है मैंने गलतियाँ की थी, ये हुआ था and stuff. Previously he used to be like, why are you going over there? Why are you doing this? Get it out from someone else. You know, take my help, जो भी है. And now he's like कि ठीक है, you have to do it, but these are all of the fallbacks and stuff. And then he's giving me advice, which is something that never was a part of a conversation or even root भी नहीं आता था उसका. So it's nice to see that growth.
yeah, I think after a while, I think parents feel like this person is grown enough to have. Like, yeah, like I remember the first time when my dad asked me something, and I'm like, yeah, किससे? I'm like, क्या मेरे से पूछ रहा? My dad asked me to like open a demat account for him कि चल मैं stocks में करता हूँ तो ऐसा कर दे. मैंने जो पहले चलाता था वो बंद हो गया, बैंक में कर दिया. तो मैंने बोला हाँ, why not? And then I helped him with downloading the app and explaining the kite and all. तो हाँ, I think we can help with the minor things as long as they are kind of like ready to adapt to it.
आज मैंने दोनों मॉम डैड्स के लिए चैट जीपीटी डाउनलोड किया उनके फोन पे.
Oh yes,
They have-
amazing.
They have accepted AI.
Leveled up.
they were like कि देखो एक ये हमें मैसेज आया है, इसको हमें नहीं हम मुझे रिस्पॉन्स करना है इस पे, बट अच्छा वार्म सा पर्सनलाइज्ड रिस्पॉन्स होना चाहिए. कृषाणु लिख दे बिकॉज हिस्टोरिकली आई हैव बीन डूइंग इट.
Krishanu GPD.
KGPT.
Krishanu automated the process.
But I came in and then I'm like देखा है आपने prompt डालो. Now they're getting better with their prompts. Today within a span of a day कुछ भी पूछा गया उससे. अच्छा बड़े मजेदार prompt है. How to make sun better.
So, you know, my first encounter with men's mental health was actually my dad. Because being a Fauji, like one of the first times I saw him vulnerable was when he was in insurgency area, which I don't want to mention. And when he came back from that war, he had terrible PTSD. Very bad PTSD, okay? कि उनको ना because he had encountered like people dying,
Yeah.
right? People मतलब mines get, you know,
yeah.
exploding, his friends dying, all of that. When he came back, whenever he smelled something burning, any kind of, you know, बारूद, कुछ भी आग का smell आता था, he would regurgitate, he would puke, and he would just sit like silently for a bit, like क्या हो गया, like, you know, just like freeze for a bit. So my first encounter was that कि oh damn, and it was when I wasn't a toddler, I was at an 8-9 years का age, and I was like damn it, this guy is infallible. How is this happening to him? Like, you know, ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है. He's तो
mental health of the Faujis, especially they come back, I feel like these guys get like a lot of daru ke aisa gum bulalo type, which is very toxic because they really need to be like, you know, remove that, like they need therapy to actually get that PTSD at least settled or out of the system. I had no idea about this, and I was talking to a friend of mine and she was like कि हाँ हमारे camp में तो the PTSD was so high कि all of the fathers would like beat the children up, and this one person not only like I don't know, because they saw so much of violence and this and that, and they would have alcohol and they would like something would trigger in the head and they would like beat the kids, like small kids, and this one person shot himself.
Oh.
Yeah, because he was having an episode like full on breakdown ho raha tha, he heard something this and that, he was running around, and then you know, and I mean it was like very very violent, man. The stuff that she told me about, I was shocked, and I was like, no one talks about it. I never knew PTSD could be this bad. No, it's not shown in like movies. It's not talked about in TV shows. It's not mentioned anywhere. And
So I think again,
men's mental health, man.
That's mostly because seeking mental help, no, is still like a taboo. At least in their generation,
Yeah.
mostly. And in fact, I have a few friends that are from my age group, bro, but who feel like ये क्या बात कर रहा है यार?
Therapy is not for men.
Yeah.
हाँ.
No, therapy is not for me. कि भाई मैं पागल है क्या?
हाँ, वो हेल्प नहीं करेगा मुझे. क्या ही मैं
कोई और
बात
क्या
कर लेता
कोई
हूँ.
और क्या ही बताएगा मुझे वाला.
Yeah. No, I know a friend who went to therapy, a guy, and he's like, नहीं, this is taking too long. I can't. This is like नहीं, just like cure me ना. फटाफट सही कर दे जो मेरे साथ गलत हो रहा है. ऐसे
Yeah,
ही
and
थोड़ा होता है. हाँ.
I feel it helps you quite a lot because I have some of my friends who share the max are the ones who actually went for therapy because something helped them quite a lot, and then they were like, therapy helps a lot, and then they started sharing with me as well, with their friends as
open
well.
up.
So yeah, I think they open up.
Verbalize.
Yeah,
No, I know, like one of his friends I know, okay, and मतलब there was something off about him because I knew like something was bothering him for sure. Like he had a strange cope. क्या हुआ?
मेरे तो अच्छे हैं. What do you mean there's something off about it?
Sorry. He would, you know, people who sometimes talk too much, it's out of a social awkwardness ना कि मेरे को silences भरनी है कि अरे भाई if I don't talk, these people will think that I am so awkward कि मैं बात ही नहीं कर रहा. You know, मतलब that silence is too uncomfortable for them. I met this guy after a year. And he was suddenly silent. He was comfortable with silence. And he told me, I went to therapy and started having meaningful conversations with me. And I'm like, bhai, ye to बहुत सही हो गया यार.
I had amazing
180
conversations with him before therapy, by the way.
Listen.
Best.
But drunk conversation.
But
Brilliant.
But drunk conversation.
Amazing.
Yeah.
no, पर जो पलटा है ना वो आदमी मतलब he is an endorsement for what therapy can do for a
you.
dude. Like so good. I was so proud of him. Like I literally told him, I'm like, listen, whatever you're doing right now, continue doing it. Don't stop because this is so good for you.
मुझे तो पहले भी सही लग रहा था.
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, हम लोगों को सभी सही लगता है. मैं बोलता हूँ, मैं जिन दोस्तों की बात कर रहा हूँ जो बोल रही है कि थेरेपी है, पागल है क्या, मैं थेरेपी जाऊँ.
ये क्या है?
ऐसा एग्जैक्ट यही टोन होता है, पागल है क्या, मैं थेरेपी जाऊंगा. एग्जैक्टली यही टोन होता है. बट वो भी मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. मतलब मैं ये सोच के बोलता था कि यार ये पगला है.
नहीं मेरे साथ बहुत फनी सीन हुआ है कि ना कुछ तो बकचोदी कर रहा था दोस्त दारू पी के, फिर पता नहीं दारू पीते पीते बोला, आई टोल्ड हिम ब्रो आई थिंक यू नीड थेरेपी. देन ही हैड 2-3 more drinks, लाइक थेरेपी तेरा भाई जाएगा.
Oh fuck! This is matured version of आज गाड़ी तेरा भाई चलाएगा.
भाई बहुत सही था. थेरेपी तेरा भाई एंड ही वेंट.
Oh my god.
That was unexpected.
Yeah. Committed.
These are the parties you need to go to, guys. These are the parties.
Which is therapy.
So where it's required.
रात को पार्टी, सुबह थेरेपी. हैंगओवर में थेरेपिस्ट के साथ आधा घंटा बात नहीं कर पा रहे. थेरेपिस्ट भी खुश, तुम भी खुश.
बेस्ट जॉब एवर कचिंग.
बेस्ट कस्टमर एवर ब्रो. आधे घंटे पानी मांगता रहा.
बोला ऑर्डर गिला.
हाँ भाई, 10,000 रुपए दिए 1 घंटे के, बट 5 बोतल पानी पी गया. नॉट बैड.
So, वैसे इंडिया में रहते हैं, क्या ही जा रहा है.
100 रुपए गए तो इट्स ओके.
But I know guys are really like some guys are really against mental health के अंदर therapy. But एक बात बताओ, what is your take on colonoscopy? Because men suffer from alarmingly high rates of colon cancer, and no one gets colonoscopy in India. इतना prevalent ना popular है. You get routine colonoscopies after the age of 35 once, I think in a decade, and then after that you have to get it done 2 or 3 times. So even if you've seen Alpha M, he's like a very big YouTube channel, right? And he caters to Londe and men conversation and
But
stuff
he
like
also
that.
says.
He got it done as a routine checkup, and he found out he had 3 like I think he had benign tumors present in his colon, and he was absolutely fit, fat, gym boy types vibes. Alright, nothing wrong with him.
I need to book your
Book my
appointment.
appointment.
Yeah, I need to do it right now.
A few months ago, when that actor from the Black Panther passed away from colon cancer. And so last year, I was going and getting my annual physical. Everything looked good, but I said to the doctor, I said, what would you think about me like actually getting a colonoscopy? So I asked him, I said, is there any reason why I wouldn't want to go and get one? He's like, are you having any issues? I'm like, no. Do you have a family history? No. Do you drink? Not much. Do you smoke? No. Do you exercise? Yes. I have like 0 reasons why I would be a candidate for, having something wrong with me, right? I'm a pretty healthy dude. And so I made an appointment. I told some people, I told my friends, I told my family members, I'm like, hey, I'm gonna go get a colonoscopy. They're like, why? Are you having an issue? I'm like, no. I just figured why not? Some of my friends made fun of me. They're like, dude, you're the only person I've ever heard of doing a preventative colonoscopy just to check. You're too young, you're fine, you're healthy, you're this, you're that. And so long story short, the doctor called my wife and also told me, she's like, you have 5 polyps in your colon. I then heard from the doctor that the 5 polyps that I had removed were what they consider precancerous.
Then he got it done and he was like, this routine colonoscopy, I don't want to get it done. And then you're like, that saved me because then a surgery happened, it was removed and stuff. So I remember having this conversation actually with my dad and we were in the car. If you remember.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
I was driving. तो मैं बस गाड़ी में फोकस कर रहा हूँ. Like ट्रैफिक हो गया. U-turn लेना है.
Oh my God.
मैं रेड लाइट पे भी नहीं रुक रहा हूँ कि भाई छोड़ो यार. चलान वलान होते रहेंगे पर ये सब क्या कर रहे हैं?
I was sitting पीछे पापा आगे थे, mind you, okay? So that's even funnier or worse. So I had this discussion with my dad. My papa was like, my father's a doctor, right? And he's not just that, he's an oncologist. He understands cancer and all that can happen with you, right? And मैं घर पे थोड़ा सा कैंसर का हिस्ट्री भी है. तो मैंने पापा को बहुत सीरियसली बोला था कि पापा आप करा लो, जिंदगी में एक बार भी नहीं कराया आपने शायद, ठीक है? And he was like, अच्छा बेटा करा लेंगे बाद में. I'm like, okay then you're 60 already, कब फिर? ये तो करा लेंगे.
Craziest part is 5 मिनट बाद अंकल ने खिड़की खोली और सिगरेट जला.
क्या?
और मैं देख रहा हूँ. Boss move.
Like, dude.
नहीं देखो 10 years में एक बार ठीक है.
हाँ.
हम रोज ट्रॉमा झेलते हैं. 10 साल में.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ जो इंसान बॉडी चेकअप नहीं करा रहा, जो इंसान बुखार में ये सोच रहा है कि मैं पैरासिटामोल खाऊंगा, मैं मर दूं. ठीक है, वो कैसे कोलोनोस्कोपी के बारे में सोचेगा भाई.
Yeah, no, somehow the manhood will go na agar ऐसा.
हाँ, that is the whole issue. That is the whole conception कि that's going to happen.
मतलब anal probe also. That is just.
अरे यार.
Kind of.
I've had
नहीं पर गाड़ी चलाई है तुमने अब कितने पॉट वो तो ऐसे सडनली
कोलन तक पहुंच गया.
गियर बॉक्स के ऊपर बैठते क्यों फिर? मत बैठा करो.
The craziest part is automatic गाड़ी. But okay.
We have more questions now, guys.
Yeah, now I'm like, okay.
What if someone goes for it and then they start enjoying it?
I think that is the fear.
महीने में 4 बार डॉक्टर भी बोले इतना तो नहीं करवाता मैं.
Don't take it. तू तो खाली आया था.
Wow, this is too much bukchode.
So I think guys this is a great segue to understand हमको, आपको और इन लोगों को कितना पता है about men's health और men's sexual health.
अब तक हम सिर्फ एक कॉन्वर्सेशन डिरेल करे जा रहे हैं तो हमें कितना ही पता होगा. Because we are not drunk yet, guys.
That's it.
तुम्हें मैंने शुरू में ही बता दिया कि भाई हम तभी बात करते हैं. तुम्हें भाई you should have gotten a slosh and then started shooting, but okay.
दिखाओ तुम्हारे कप में क्या है.
Yeah. The both are having coke.
Yeah.
Hi Shita.
Speaking of coke, what is the average male penis size?
Definitely.
6 inches.
I think 5.5. I think 5.5.
5 point.
There are too many Asian
I would
countries.
say 5.4 because just.
I would say definitely bigger than male ego.
2 light years.
All thanks to China and India's population, it should be somewhere between 5 and 6.
You mean all thanks to China and India's copulation?
Population. That too.
What is your number? Final number.
5.6 inches.
5.5. Yeah, 5.5.
Wow,
You're
it's
close.
like
5.4 just because the Chinese guys.
this is when you're like ऐसा कि मैं
Yeah.
cheating कर लेना थोड़ा change कर देना answer. Like I literally said 5.5.
Google. Quickly Google.
Okay.
Average stretch penis length for that means it's 5.25 inches. I was the closest.
इसके बाद वीडियो में अगर आपको हमारे मुंह पे सिर्फ खुशी दिख रही है तो you know why.
Speaking of male ego, what is the one thing that men will fight to death for?
To
ये
death
कितना
for.
subjective type
A
question
ma-
है,
woman.
ये तो ma-
Ole.
Right answer.
right answer. yeah, he's woman.
When do men feel at their athletic best?
When do men feel at their athletic best?
When they book a trip to Goa.
That's the opposite.
No, the moment they book it, they feel like
8:30 AM जब इसके दोस्त की शादी का संगीत का प्रैक्टिस हो रहा होता है.
oh you do that performance.
Oh, yeah.
thing.
Oh.
मैं हर दोस्त को बोलता हूँ मैं पी के नाच लूंगा भाई तो जो भी कराएगा मैं कर लूंगा लोगों के साथ चढ़ जाऊंगा मैं.
No, we completely commit to that thing, man.
You choreograph and all.
Oh man.
Oh God.
देखो, the problem that I have with that is that I think I'm a better choreographer than the choreographers. I think I could give better steps.
3, 2, 1.
Nothing, no.
What are wet dreams and do they have a storyline?
I mean, that's a question that you both should answer.
Ah, okay.
I will answer that at nightfall.
Good one. It's okay.
तुम लोग सपने में कुछ देखते हो?
अरे आंखें खोल के देख लेते हम कई बार. क्या मतलब? Yeah. You just need good imagination.
बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है.
क्या आंसर तो पता.
I think it is a biological dream.
Yeah. It comes after a certain age.
Well, when we come.
When we come. They both come together. That's the surprising part. But yeah.
Issue क्या है?
इशू में कि टिश्यू नहीं है?
हाँ.
Issue ये है कि
Oh
टिश्यू.
man.
Respect. This is
I was
Love it.
I was getting to it, but yes.
Love it.
Well done.
How long can a man go without having sex?
How long can a
It depends on how single that man is.
What do you think? Because we stay together, so how long max?
You tell, no?
I mean, I'm just making one thing very clear. No Nut November is stupid.
Yeah.
Please continue.
Yeah, man.
Give a time frame, not a
If you're hydrated,
Long enough.
then not long.
कौन सी प्यास की बात कर रहे हो?
क्या बात है?
जिसम की प्यास की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. Think.
देखो, my answer is कि horny को कौन टाल सकता है?
Agreed.
What is the average duration of an erection?
Oh.
11 minutes.
Oh.
Oh damn, it's long, literally.
So there's a book.
Could be
actually-
anything.
So there is a book written on this that is called 11 Minutes by Paulo Coelho, which is actually about sex and the average duration being 11 minutes.
Yeah.
कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है उसका अपना मन और दिमाग है.
One food or drink, that can kill a man's sex drive.
One food or drink that can kill a man's
Yes, I know. Kanji.
Varam.
What is kanji?
Actually.
So kanji is like Indian desi kombucha. It's meant.
It is made of fermented black carrot.
Listen, it's
Why
smelled
not?
like fart
I've never
and it
even heard
tastes like liquidated black salt and I love it.
In her defense, we both like matcha and kombucha and all of that stuff, and तो उसको पिएगा तो उसको वैसे गीली मिट्टी बोलेगा. So
Yeah.
है वो.
हाँ, so I can understand where she's coming from.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
For a while, I can say momo. Momo आया खा लो पहले गर्म है. बाद में ठंडे हो जाएंगे. And then you can get back to the it. So yeah, I think
Momo
everyone-
and Mome.
at this point I don't want to say कि you can't microwave momo. you need to choose your battle. One stays fresh throughout. One might not. When I say momo, it kind of reminds me something else. So I don't want to say it. It's okay.
No wonder they're stuffed.
Bow.
What do you fear losing? Your sex drive or your hair?
यार देखो, हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट तो हो जाता है आजकल.
Actually.
So sex drive.
Thank you.
I don't think you need hair. Have you seen that guy? What's his name? No, not
Andrew Tate.
Not Andrew Tate. Yeah, this guy. What's his name? Pornstar's name? Who's like
Johnny Sins.
Johnny Sins.
Sins. Oh yes.
I don't think hair is required, guys. Have you seen Johnny Sins?
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't think he has already chosen for humanity and mankind. और sex drive तो कूट के भाई मैं.
Pun intended again.
Do men like pillow talk after sex or would they rather just
I can't talk about other men because I've never slept with them. But I like to, so it's okay. Till the time. Pillow talk, yeah? Till the time I'm not knocked out, because you never know. Because you've also not slept with me.
Yeah, do pillows talk? I'd be freaked out.
कान देखो मैं क्या बोल रहा है.
पिछले कान में बोला बड़ा बढ़िया काम किया तुमने यार, आज चल रहा है.
मुझे बस 1 मिनट के लिए ये एक्नॉलेज करना है कि इस पूरे पॉडकास्ट में मेंस हेल्थ के बारे में हमने कोई बात नहीं की.
Just like in real life.
बट क्या पिवट किया हमने मजेदार. Continue.
Krishanu Kushan Singh. What else do you expect from a feminist podcast?
Exactly. And guys, this was Men's Day podcast. So now you know. ठीक है, don't complain कि हमारे पास मेन ऑडियंस नहीं है इसके बाद, ठीक है?
तभी तो नहीं, क्यों नहीं हो रही पढ़ाई?
क्यों नहीं हो रही? इसीलिए.
Anyway, guys.
So on that note,
Yeah, so too many.
On that nut.
Yeah. On that nut. Did you nut? So this podcast was akin to real life. Just like लौंडे असली में बात करते हैं अपनी फीलिंग्स के बारे में, हमने भी की उनकी फीलिंग्स के बारे में.
yes, हम बहुत आस लेके आए थे
और
Just
आस
like the
लेके आए.
doctor who does the colonoscopy. So yeah, we had an awesome time.
Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed too.
Yeah.
And
I
yes,
still feel trust me bro वाले sources
are
is
better.
fine, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
So tell us in the comments if 2 boys nights a month is actually legit for men's mental health.
Yeah, FIFA, smoke shisha, play FIFA.
You want to see more of us?
Yeah, if you want to see.
I know you do.
Yeah.
Comment below
Do
and tell
they?
us what you want to see next.
Yeah, and tell us if you want them more often. I think you
Yeah,
do. We
yeah,
do.
yeah.
Thanks
do
for
that.
coming, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here.
इसका रिवॉर्ड क्या है?
You will.
Colonoscopy.
Yeah, I'm going to book your colonoscopy. Please take care of your physical health, mental
Yes.
health, and
See you next week
See you
on
next week.
Girl Garba.